Hi everyone, this is Santosh, and here we're going to see a new problem on lesson number 14, probability. So we're going to see a new problem on the lesson number 14, probability NCERT, right? So NCERT. So this is the problem. The example 6. Savita and Hamida are friends. What is the probability that both will have different birthdays? This is the first question. The second question is what is the probability that both of them have the same birthday? So, and you should be ignoring the leap year because leap year consists of 366 days, right? So you should be considering of non-leap year, which is 365. You should be considering this, and please ignore this, which is given in the question. So please ignore a leap year. So then considering the non-leap year, which have 365 days, the non-leap year has 365 days. So consider these dots as the days, right? So if you keep on having the dots, so it can be up to 365 dots, right? So in the case of the cases of the first example, what is the probability they are in different birthdays? For example, Savita's birthday as the first of the year, and Hamida's birthday can be in the middle. So this is the different. This is one of the cases, right? This is one of the case. So by keeping the one person birthday as constant, you can move other person birthday up to with different cases, right? So you can move this particular dot, which means the Hamida's birthday, to here up to 364, not on the same day, because that is the different case. We should be having different birthdays. Exactly a different birthday is needed, not an exactly same birthday, right? So on this case, you have how many cases are there you should be counting off. So the formula for this to find the probability is probability for having a different birthday, probability of having a different birthday, which is how many number of cases, number of favorable cases. So what are the cases that is given in the question as per the event by number of the sample space, number of total cases. So total cases is 365, okay, right? So each day is considered as each case. So 365 is a total case. The number of favorable cases, what is the chances that happens this particular thing, so that the Hamida's birthday at the different date as the Savita. So there is a 365 dots that can Hamida jumps to, so that the birthday ends up in different days. So you can give as 364 days, which is one less than the total days, right? So this is the probability that the person end up in the different birthdays. So if the person end up in the same birthday, what is the probability of getting it? So probability of getting a person which is on the same birthday, right? So you can do 1 minus probability of a person having a different birthday. This is also one way of doing it. So this is somewhat not even visualizing it, just mathematically you can solve it. 264 by 365, you get 1 by 365. Yeah. So this is much more lesser, so because you can see the same getting a same birthday is very rare cases, right? So even your classes of some many more members, you very difficult to find the same person same two persons birthday, right? So that's fine. How it is visualized easily? So as the same as this before, you just put a dot up to 365. So this is 365 dots. So the same person birthday can happen only one case, when the two persons are in the same date, right? So say the two persons should be in the same date to this particular thing happen, which means this is one case that should be happening on the total 365 cases. So on total 365 cases, the one case is happening which is one day, right? So that is what. So choosing a one day is like choosing a one day, so that the person is also choosing a one, so they end up in the same cases, right? So this is the probability of a person end up in the same birthday. Okay, it can be any day. That's why we are kind of not considering the second case as something in the second day or third day, because every day is considered here is to be a equal day. So nothing separated from one another. It's an equal thing. So we just see whether they ends up in the same day or in the different day. So that's it, the example 6 from your NCERT. Hope you liked it. Thank you so much. Yeah.